This is called pineapple founders. And I'm never walking the trail after my dad. A beautiful pineapple founders, and 919% fiber. This is blue iron preserve. Look at pineapple flowers preserve. Don't kill me. Like, are the flowers beautiful? Yeah. I just hope it won't be wet.
You hope it won't be wet?
Like
you. Guarantee it will not be wet.
How do you know?
I don't, but I still guarantee it. My point being, I'm 99.99999. I'm very, very sure. I'm not certain. I'm never certain.
These are unpermitted trails, or permitted trail, whatever mean that I don't vote the trails, Andy.
Right. Hello.
Hi. So, is that a trail?
I don't remember that.
So these roads. Oh, looking.
I think it might be like a service trail, or maybe something where you can go. It looks like they went through and like mowed the grass so people could walk up towards that and look out if they wanted to. Or maybe it's for ranger reasons.
Okay.
I think I am.
Trail that way, but I want to go straight. You can walk right here and then go that way.
Okay. I don't remember this from before. Oh yeah, I do remember it. We came back that way. So we're going backwards on the trail?
Uh-huh.
Why do I feel like we're going to get lost again?
Well, we can't go out of this place. It's better. Coming. I don't even supposed to go. There's a vulture out there.
Yeah, apropos.
You have to wild. Huh? You hit that on me, look. I'm angry. I'm angry. I'm angry. That's not angry.
Filthy bird.
Again, where the house is like over there?
Yeah, I do remember that. That was pretty cool.
We tried the boundary side.
We went all the way, okay, I remember. We went all the way to the end of this. We went right. Then we hit the wall of trees. Went right. And then the bugs got so bad at some point that you even wanted to turn. And the grass was high. It was gnarly. But I think they come in here and like clear out or cut like, you know, the natural gas. Cut the grass, cut the gas, cut everything.
Even out there?
I'm speculating. I don't really know. I'm guessing it'll be. So far, it looks a lot different. Like it's more.
Well, they did prescribe fires. You know, they did do prescribe fires and preserve and maintain it.
Yeah, you told me about that before.
Maybe that's it.
You think they're gonna burn us out?
No, I think there already was a prescribed fire.
Yeah,
Because this one truck will have to quick preserve. It's gonna have some prescribed fire like a week a day.
Cool. Let's go.
No,
Light something on fire. They got a prescription. I'll set something on fire.
Like a prescription medicine, it's the same thing.
Yeah. Right, that's what I'm saying. I'll show up. I'll start lighting things on fire. I just need to see a prescription and verify it with their doctor. and then I'll light everything on fire.
Hey,
I'm a pharmacist. Let me fill this prescription.
you're not pharmacy yet. He's home.
But you're no
Let him
pharmacist
see the
yet.
beauty of the preserve. Let him see everything. He likes the preserve like me, so let him see them out.
Oh, yeah, here, look around, buddy. Okay, in exchange for me doing this for you, Angry Bird, I need you to say, the force is strong with you, Dwayne.
It just sounds good. You,
But you're not a pharmacist yet.
you're not pharmacy yet. Okay, I got you.
Thank you.
Sounds with that annoying death. You hear that? Where are the birds? I want to hear a bird or a bobcat.
I rewatched the Star Wars movies and I automatically rememorized everything. Like now I've got like Star Wars lines in my head, just like I did when I was your age. It takes like the smallest thing and it triggers like a verbatim memory of a line. Like I can hear the movie in my head. Like I could pretty much run all the way through those 3 movies. I wish I had counted. I wish I knew how many times I've seen those movies. It's ridiculous. I literally have
Okay,
the
trail. This looks like tracks, Abby.
Look for a what?
Tracks.
Tracks, okay, yeah.
Maybe it's a panther track goes strawberry.
Yeah.
Come in, there's a big bobcat.
Well, we don't know for sure it wasn't a dog, but I'd like to think it was a panther.
I
I
know.
don't think it was a bobcat, though. It was too big to be a bobcat.
Too big to be a dog.
No, not too big to be a dog, but it was just in a place where it was with a bunch of other animal tracks, and I doubt somebody came walking their dog. Like, we would see, like, we didn't see any human footprints through it. Like, you know, somebody just, like, let their dog off the leash, you know? Anyway, my point is I think it was a panther track. We should have taken a picture of it.
Mom said that restored preserve how good this is is in Lee County, not Conley County.
Huh. I don't know. Again, like I said before, your brain is highly skilled with facts and names. And that's a prime example. I didn't at any point ever really care in any way. Nor have I ever in my life what county I was in. I just don't care. You remember like details and definitions, and that's really cool. I'm smart too, but my brain doesn't work like that. Pretty. I don't know. I think it's in like on the ground level, like out there.
Yeah, go folks. Yeah.